morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. It's me, Nwada Ifi. Nwada Ifi, Ada Biafra, the truthful goddess. Now, that's always speak the truth. Say the truth, speak the truth. No fear, no fear, no shaking. Join me, join me, join me, join me. Join me, join me, join me. Join me and help me share this program. As you are joining, please share. We must continue. We must continue. No retrieve, no surrender. Now so it be. I am how to all we want is freedom from Guinea, Nigerian government. Now help me share. I'm coming. I want to share this first before I proceed. Yeah, please. Thank you so much. You don't mind coming and sharing. Please join me as you are joining this woman. Also share, please. Very interesting. Now, okay, before I'm going to play Methuselah. I love this song that Methuselah. I love it. Let me play it here. Where is Methuselah? Methuselah. Perfect. Now, okay, not this one, not this one, not this one. Okay.
Silence full everywhere. People they watch with every mind. Big body fly, lawyers they talk, but truth they stand for behind. Then he rise with calmness, his voice soft but strong to hear. Mazin the Kanu them call him, and he asks the question clear. No fight, no shout, no war. If you want judge me, bring the book. No drama, no fear, no noise. Make everybody see and look. Come on, go
Show me the law.
If you did for paper, make the whole world know. Come on, go
Show me the law.
Truth stand strong, justice will grow. Mazin and the Kanu talk and blame. No anger for him face, no pain. Come on, go
Show me the law.
Make fairness fall like rain. Yeah, yeah, People when they watch me get a whisper, the matter choke, no be play. No accusation should stand. The law no stand the way.
An innocent man.
Some they silent, some they feel am for their chest. Because the question simple, if you show them, bring the rest. Law no be guesswork, law no be noise. Law na truth we stand like stone. If the book talk and bring them out, if you know they leave the man alone.
Show me the law. Show us the law. No law, no written law. He was unjustly sentenced because he's seeking for freedom for his people. Our prophets, Mazin and the Kanu, exceptional Igbo man.
Justice go make the weak strong. History go remember the day a man stood tall and said, "Show me the law." Show me the law.
The formula. Omela Guinea. Omela Guinea. He must be free. Away formula. Away for her. Tell us. aka ya dị ọcha. We hated our own. Ndị obi ọjọọ. Ndị obi ọjọọ. Reason. Divisions among us. Paid agents. Double. They say they are not. I'm oath member. I am IPOP member. That is what you hear them say. But what are they saying today? Different story. One and Formidable. MNK. All the Igbo. On that head, it's not easy for him. Okay, I don't want to continue. Yes, it's me, the truthful goddess. Nwachukwu. That Biafra. The woman, Nana Hachi. You don't play with Mazi. Don't ever try it. Mazi is exceptional Igbo man. You like it, you don't like it, that is your own cup of tea, because Igbo no job. No amount of conspiracy will deter us from loving. No amount of conspiracy against our formidable leader, Mazi, will deter us from loving him. And we will stand with him, Gidigba. Aiga Kudo, no going back. Then Yes. The enemies have ganged up and gathered, internal and external enemies everywhere. And so also the only his problem is that because I want freedom for my people. That is his offense. Is there any other thing? And some of them are saying, oh, how can a man like this who could not lead his home, how can he lead Biafra? Shame on all of una. Yeah, that's what they are testing. That's what they are saying. That's what they are posting. And so what? Are you telling me that your own family doesn't have issue? That your family is a saint? Lolo neck, Ajo it's not a Lolo. That woman, don't you ever try call that woman Lolo. She doesn't know she doesn't know the meaning of Lolo. She's a destroyer. She has come. She's a paid agent. Destroy, come to destroy, but she's a failure. Ebobu no Sibia, who will give it to her, bumper to bumper. That ugly soul of a woman with her ugly soul of association of Ndi Igbo, ugly woman association that she formed. People like her, and that they belong to that her organization. How can she imagine? She recorded this. It was recorded. I listened to it. She was saying, I was thinking, she said, join me in an interview. It was a recorded whatever. I don't want to talk about it, but I just want to pinpoint some things, because that is family problem. And we will not judge. You can't judge with one-sided story. No. Somebody said this. Yes, I understand what our Mazin and kind of wife, Uchechi, it's not easy for her as a woman. Of course, a family do have problem, don't we? It's your own family sent or angels. It's your own sent or angels. Family problem is always family problem. And when you have your own family problem, you bring it outside to social media, everybody to know what you are going through. It is you that people are begin to say, oh, is that how you are? Your problem, not mine. Because there are some things you should keep aside For the person that you said is your oga, it's not here at all. Then what are we seeing? Somebody posted, the people, those all that, these are just a distraction because they have nothing to offer. This woman is one of this woman is just an evil soul woman. She came to destroy. Destruction. They paid her to destroy. Because this is not, at this time around, is that you guys supposed to be pushing for international community to know what is happening in Nigeria, to know what Nigeria is doing, and to know how what everything Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said about Nigeria. This is the time for you all to be pushing about it. But now, distraction, this evil soul, they have come to distract us. Akokwa Nka from last 2 weeks. Akokwa, since when? How many days now? Since last month. Is it not last month they started bringing Mazi Emeka Nka, Mazi Emeka, just to be discrediting him. Discredit his reputation, discredit him, everything. And now they are saying, if he cannot control his family, so if he cannot control this one, how are we sure he's going to be this one? How are we sure? Shut up your mouth. Ndiro, honorable, Ndobi Ojo. That is what you guys are, as if your own family is all roses. Your own family is all roses. There is no issue going on in your family. Your family is the best of it all. You can marry to any family, and your mother-in-law might not like you, your brother-in-law might not like you, your sister-in-law might not like you. It's possible, it's there. The issue is there. It's always like that. So why is this one become a problem to us now? Yes, she's going through a lot. Yes, I understand. It's not easy for you to marry, and your husband is not there. But she knows that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a figurehead. He knows that this man is now, this is not, he's just going to marry. Do you think it's going to be easy? No. You say, if you don't think, didn't you, before Mazi got married to you, you know that she is into this, that he is into Biafra. Like this is, you should have said, no, I don't want to go. I don't want to be part of it. It's not easy for you to understand. But all family do have problems. No family say their own is exceptional. They don't have. No family is exempted from problem. No family is the best. It's when you come out and then tell the world what your family is all about. The world will not know what you are going through. You can be pretending. Nobody knows it. Now, this is it. The DOS have pushed you. The DOS have pushed you. The ex-DOS, they have pushed you to come on. Because that is it. Bring it on. Bring it on. Destroy the reputation of this man. Destroy him. The exceptional Igbo man. Destroy his reputation. Because everything we are pushing all this while, it seems that our people is not going anywhere. They still love him. We will continue to love him. Because he's exceptional Igbo man. We will continue to love him. Now, you recorded an audio. After that, if you're a nice woman, if you're a very good woman, because you came from a family of breaking home, you want to break others' home. If not, why after recording all this, you say, no, I'm not going to put this out there. You decided to put whatever you want to put because you're a content creator. You split part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and now, okay, put it all. Let the world see. Who is the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? The man that said he's fighting for his people's freedom. He is not even managing his home. He is not even there for his wife. How can he be there for his wife? You know what? That is what he's called to do. He's a freedom fighter. He wasn't there till 2027. They have been arresting him. So he's not there. He wasn't there. And definitely family must have issues. That is it. That is it. It's always, there's no family now that will say that everybody that when you marry to this family, they will love you 100%. Somebody must still not like you. It's always like that. Even if you're a nice person, somebody must still find a fault. Somebody must say there's always going to be a problem. Why is this one now become something that they're saying? If Mazi, look at. Then let me read some of the posts for you guys to listen, because I posted and I was Even there is one, what is it called? What is the one, the chick? I told you that me and Chika, yeah. Oh, he shared my post because I saw his post what he's posted, and I now went. I said, hey, so this is what you guys are. This is misplaced priorities. You guys have no other thing to share. You guys have no other things from one problem to another. From just to be making Mazin Nandikanu, just to for the world or whosoever that send you for them to see. Oh, his people are not happy. Look at the way look at the man. Look at him, a freedom fighter. He's doing that. We do not care. And I know we don't care. Continue. Yes, this is it. Chick Austin posted, and some of them posted. This one say, after listening to the interview, I begin to question myself. If Mazen Nandekano couldn't control his immediate family, how do he intend to control Biafra? This is what they are saying. This is what they are talking about. That is $1 billion question. This is what they are talking about. I will repeat, another one they call Ogechukwu. Another one they call Ogechukwu. I don't know her. I don't care to know who she is. She also mentioned, I will repeat it. And if it hurts you, just unfollow me now. Whatever power Kanu Takanu welded in IPOP and in Mazen Nankano marriage, we are consciously handed over to him by Mazen Nandekano, a man that have not been there, always arresting him, always traveling, always going for one thing or the other, that he has not have time, no much time for his wife, for his children, because of you, for you to get your freedom. He doesn't have time to give his family. And what you guys are good at is to come here just to lavish him, to make him look like he is what? Are you guys really normal at all? Instead of you to feel pity for this family, at least the wife is saying, coming out this after this interview, why can't this woman, after watching and listening to all of her, because it was recorded, she went to visit Mazi in back in Nigeria, and she was the one that passed message to tell others that to tell Biafra Vanguard and other people that are saying, please let there be, everybody should calm down. She brought the message. And it's even that time she went to visit this woman, that this woman visited her. And they did this interview. If this woman is a good woman, if this woman did really, really want, if not, she knows what she's looking for. After listening to all this, she should have said, I don't want to put this out. This doesn't want me putting out. Why do I have to? Because she's a content creator. She's here to make her money. She's a local champion that think that she's well known. Look at what she did. Instead of her to say, no, I am not going to put this out. I don't do this. I can't do this. But she brought it out to the world to listen. So that they will make mass, so that the world, you guys, people will say, oh, this mass and the kind we are respecting is that even he can't hold his family, as some of you are saying. If you not shame the shame people. Sorry, no. When I say when they fight freedom, I'm a freedom fighter. I fight fighting for freedom. Do you know what is to fight for freedom? From that interview, another one. From that interview, what Lord Uchechi suffered in the house of Hooligan sibling. That one, have I read it? He said Mazina Kanu is in support of whatever they are saying, whatever she went through. How do you know that Mazina Kanu is in support? Have Mazina Kanu been there with the family? No. Always arresting, traveling, going here and there, doing this and doing that. And somebody now posted and said, Chick Austin now said, I didn't want to take from the beginning. Kinsley Kanunta told me, this is what they said, Chuchechi said, which during the interview 10. Kinsley now told me that he was on call with those who kidnapped my husband in Kenya. They refused to let anyone know because he did not want me. He did not want them to kill him. And then this is it. Now it started. Oh, because of that. It's the Kanunta that was the one that did this, all this, that. Is that what we need to be hearing? I replied because we think outside the box. There are people like us, we think outside the box. I said to him, because me, I said to him, I said, I said to him, this is what I replied. I said to him, I said, Chika Austin, Ugly Face Woman Association in Igbo, which is NECA, Ogechukwu, and all those Iraq gangsters you are gossiping cannot deter us or compel us to speak ill against our formidable leader, Mazen Nandekano, the Igbo man, exceptional Igbo man, that even the Fulanis are now beginning to say, I will play a video here. I had a Fulani man saying something about Hausa man, saying something about Mazen Nandekano. But the people that he is there suffering and fighting and even protected from them not to be taken over, for their land not to be taken over by these people, by these Boko Haram. They are all out there finding fault, finding a way. What are we going to do? What are we going to say? How do we do this so that other people will see Mazen Nandekano? He is not an honorable man. He is just not a man. If he cannot control his family, how can he control Biafra? Are you guys normal? You guys are not normal at all. Why did you change it? I can't, and I ask a question, and I want you all to ask me, because some of you don't have sense. When you think all of us are like you. I ask this question: why did Ifru Chechi said? Because according to her, she said that they have issue with her. She's having issue with her family, her husband's family. That issue did not start 2022. When 2022, 21, it's not 21. The redemption mass. The issue has been there for long. And she did not trust her husband's family. They don't like her. And then when she now said this, I think I said, so Kanu Takano called her. No, she said she called, according to her. So she called Kanuta, and then Kanuta said to her that he doesn't want that. This is the thing. Kanuta said to her, listen, I'm going to read it. Kanuta said to her, that Kanuta told her that he was on calls with those who kidnapped her husband. Her husband, my husband in Kenya. They refused to let anyone know because he didn't want them to kill him. And Kanuta said that to her. So if she, and I'm not like, I just want us to think about, because I don't want in a situation we're going to end story with one voice or whatever. I pity her, I understand her situation, but there are some things I need to pinpoint here, because I will not, because she's a woman like me. I understand what she's going through, what she went through. I do understand, but there's something that she said which I kind of like say, no, this is not right. She said that, and she said, and as she said that, Kanuta, when she called, said that to her. But in a situation like, if it's me, that is me, she might not be me, I'm different. If I'm having a problem, I have a problem with my family, my husband's family, and I know that Kanu is a problem, and we don't agree, something is wrong somehow. If it's me, I will raise alarm. I will raise alarm. Even if Kanuta said to me, do not say it. It's my husband. Do not tell people. I will not agree that. I must surely tell some people. Okay, she said that they are fighting her, that they are not in good times. And then Kanu, that is one of her enemies, people that didn't like her, said to her that he's on call with the people that is holding her husband. For me, I will sit down there for how many days without contacting anybody? I wouldn't do that, because you know that if you say, according to her, guys, I'm just narrating what she said. I'm just narrating it. Because for me, why did Uchechi not raise alarm when Kanunta told her that he was on call with those who kidnapped her husband for 8 days? According to her, Kanunta and his families are not in good time with her. They are not in good time with her. She did not make contact to people that matters. There must be a way she must confide with people. She didn't make a contact at all. She didn't call anybody. Not even Chika Edozigim, not even any of the DOS. She did not even dare try to call any one of them. She kept it. And this is the person that she said they are not in good times. They don't talk. They don't relate well. It's this problem started 2017, according to her. And then Mazen Nankan had issue 2021. So there have been a family, look ahead. Family has been like, they don't rapport, they don't agree with each other. They are always, according to her. Why did she not think, say, oh, no, I don't trust Kanu Takano? Why will I not call somebody else to say, my husband? They are holding him. And Kanuta said, I shouldn't let anybody know. Should I trust Kanuta or not to trust Kanuta? No. I don't think, because I don't have I have a problem with Kanuta. Kanuta doesn't like me, and maybe he doesn't like my husband. At least she should have contacted somebody outside and said, this is what is going on. So Kanuta told her for complete 8 good days not to tell anybody, and she agreed not to do that. Who does a thing like that? I'm asking because I need to know. Who does a thing like that? Which wife will sit down for complete 8 days? Kanuta said, do not tell anybody. And this person, Kanuta Kanu, you are not in good time with him, because there's issue that's been in the family during the time of Aloy Ejimofo. Aloy Ifeanyi Ejiofor, with being a lawyer to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which your father was now, you got the lawyer, you agree for the lawyer to Ifeanyi to present your husband. And then for that, you guys started having issue started having issue that according to you, you say that according to you, you said that's what she said. Now, if it's not what she said, that is what Austin Chika posted that she said. So why are you coming here to say that's not what she said? Austin Chika said that. So I'm analyzing what Austin Chika said. So how can you, according to her, they said they wanted to give her poison. They say you shouldn't cook, you shouldn't do this. And these people, you now know that these people, they don't have a good heart, they are not a good people. They, according to her, there's something here if they don't want. So there have been a crackers, there have been a problem in the family. And then Mars in 2021, the Nigerian people kidnapped him, and he was kept in the prison. He was kept in the prison, and then he was kept, no, not in the prison. He was kept for 8 good days, and he reached out. He called Kanu about his husband, and Kanu, the same person that doesn't like her at all. It doesn't have anything to do with her. She's not happy. They don't like her. And then they said to him, Kanuta said to her, I am in contact with the people that is holding your husband. Don't worry about it. Don't call anybody. I'm in contact. And for me, my dear, I will definitely call people. I will definitely find somebody to confide on. I will definitely find somebody to say, this is what is happening. Even the DOS, he didn't tell them. He didn't call Chicken Edozigim. He didn't call any one of DOS to tell them, listen, look what Chilasa Wori is saying. No, I don't understand. Look what Kanuta said. I don't understand. You guys are just, I don't know, because when you guys are putting, when this guy put this thing here, I say, hey, is this really what happened? So how did she not? She did not make contact to people that matter. She kept quiet. Why did she not contact your HOD, other US members, but kept quiet for 8 days? There are 2 stories to every. There are 2 sides to every stories. Exactly. Every story. That woman could have interviewed her. That woman just want to do it because that woman so much hate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That woman is not sincere. That woman is a paid agent. DOS contracted her. Either DOS contracted her or Nigerian government contracted this woman, this knows this Imiezi one to come and do this. Because if I am good, if I thought she has a good heart, when I was expecting Mazin's kind of wife when she was saying that interview, because at least she visited her husband, and the husband is the one that called and said, let there be peace. One wants everywhere to be peace. I expected Uchechi to come out and said, my husband is calling for peace. He doesn't want all this thing that is going on. Can we all please stop it? It's not helping matters. That is what I expected from Uchechi to do. I am telling you. Instead of going to that place and started talking about her family problem outside. I know it's not every problem. Every family do have problem. No family, my dear. Every family do have problem. Even the woman that interviewed you. Every family do have a problem. Her own family, she's not telling me that she's not facing family problem. It's when you tell people about without your father. Hey, network. Without your father, easy. We understand that it's not that easy since you got married. You have been going through from one problem for another. Since you got married, your husband has not been there showing you love. He has not been there because this is what he signed for, my dear. He signed for this. Yeah? But you going to Uchechi to expose all this, that wasn't nice at all. That wasn't nice. That thing you did is not nice. Anybody that is telling you that you did what is good, no. You didn't do a good thing. Please wait for Mazin Nankano to come out. Or don't you believe your husband is going to come out? Are you not praying for him to come out? Are you not praying? All marriages, we do have problem. All marriages, if it's not working out, everybody go their way. If this thing is not working out, you find out that it's not working out anymore. Instead of you guys to kill, instead of everybody, some people to kill themselves, everybody go their way and let there be peace and go and find whoever that will match with you and go on. Be coming out when your husband is in the hand of Nigerian government and be saying all these things, that is not what we expected from you, Uchechi, to do. That's not what we expected. And this woman push you and we are just relaxing with this woman, even the body language, the way you were so much close to her. This woman that have said so many things about your husband, you were so close, just laughing, just dana. This evil woman, Neka. Uchechi, why now? Why do you have to do a thing like this? Why? They said you are a very intelligent woman. I was expecting you to come out, tell the world, tell her, whatever, that yes, family do have problem. Your husband want to call for peace. Let there be peace. Are you going to, as you did this now, with your family, your husband family, will they continue to like you? Will they? I'm asking a question. Do you think they will continue? They will like you? Do you think that you guys will salvage this problem? That there's gonna be unity? There's gonna be? I don't think so. And you can't marry only your husband. As you are marrying your husband, you know other people are involved. That is Igbo, the way Igbo people marry. You understand? The way Igbo people we believe in yeah, this is it. About also think again, I know. I need Igbo, I me on that. So about like this, this is very, I couldn't believe it, but I was like, I don't know what pushed you to do this, because they pushed you. You pushed you to do this. Yeah? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. That is not right. Not right, my dear. That is not right. Imeta here. Onye na-atị gị na imetere ya ihe anyị mere ọ dịghị mma. Oha. Imeta here at all. Couldn't wait for you. Went and visited your husband. I believe he told you, let there be peace. Go and call. He's supposed to use this opportunity to say enough of all this fighting. I don't want to hear this thing enough anymore. These are the same people that are bringing all the whole rubbish and be talking about your so-called husband, your husband. These people are talking about your husband, playing all these things. Are you not feeling hot? You should have said, I have had enough. I don't want to listen to all this thing anymore. Please, you guys should stop. That is what you should have said. Let him come out. People that are destroying your home, destroying more and more of you, whatever, if there is more love, if there is love, because as it is now, if there is love, I know that they are doing they are all fabricating lies, because Nigerian government, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not say to them, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did not say, I bought a house in Kenya. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu never said to anybody, the house belongs to me. Why did they not go and ask him, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is that house you bought, is it yours? No, they didn't. The house they are talking about, because Nigeria government possibility, they went to Kenya and pay people and say, come and start doing this. Or even this DOS, this evil cabals that are in our midst, this moles, possibility they go to Kenya and they say they went to Kenya and they go and pay somebody, because Africa, we are so corrupt, anything can happen. Give people money and they can do whatever you ask them to do. People have no conscience. So all these things happen. Instead of you to come out and say, I am calling for peace, I don't want all this to continue, and let us find a way to resolve problem, please, enough of all this. All you could say is telling us, creating more, like, for them to have more content. People that hated their husband, for them to have more content. You see what we are saying? Look at it now. You see what we are saying? Family of iniquity, family of iniquity. Family of iniquity, family of iniquity. You say now, you said to Mazin and Kanu wife, I am handling the thing within the one kidnap your husband. You're handling it. You and Kanu Takano are not in good form. Instead of you, well, it's possible. I don't know whether if you are getting it wrong. Unknown to her, they already planned that she should have the interview before visiting her husband. If she had visited him first, she wouldn't have granted the interview. No, that is not true. She visited him first before the interview. She visited her husband first before she granted that, because they know that she's going to visit her husband. So then after the visitation, she now grant that interview. Don't tell me that I'm not getting it wrong. I know what I'm saying. Victoria Chijoke, I know what I'm saying. She visited her husband first. Her husband said that she should go and pack her husband was even saying, let there be peace, peace everywhere, calling people. I said, we want peace, we don't want problem, we want peace. We want peace. So why is it that there is no peace now? Why did she not come out and sound the same thing that her husband was sounding? Let there be peace. Why did she not sound the same thing? Then she now did interview with one organization of ugly woman organization or association in Igbo, that she then now have to start sharing. I say it was live. Come and join us for interview. I was even thinking it's going to be live. I didn't even realize it was recorded interview. And she started teaching it part 2, part 3, part 4. Hey, I feel sorry for now. Ndonu. I was even saying, I said that in the time of going to school in Europe, the school is free. My children went to free school. Everywhere in Europe is free. Unless you want to send their school, maybe they decide to send their school to that Mazna kind of son to a private school. A private school is expensive. If you can afford it, you go ahead for it. But it's the same teaching, the same curriculum, the same thing. There's nothing different. There's nothing different. Even this thing, they just because of we want to send our children to private school, and that you can send if those that went to private school, they still get it's the same curriculum. Everything is the same. You teach them the same. You just private is private. You understand? So private is private. Like you just feel like you want to send your children to private school, but the school here, because I have her saying they are not paying her child school fees. The school here is free. Everywhere is free. Unless you want to know, you decide that you want to send your son, your child, to your children, or their to a school that says it's a private. And those private school, those that goes to those private school are the governors. No, those politicians and the people like him are going to like the all these politicians here, because they're paying them well, so they can send their children to private school. Or people that have enough money, they can. Only if you can afford it. Yeah, that's what I said. Only if you can afford to send your child to a private school, you can. Because as it is already, I don't understand why. I don't want, because this is just a family matter. And for her to coming out to, talking about it online, it wasn't nice. Let us be sincere to ourselves. When her family na enwe issue, ọ bụ onye bupụta nke ya n'iro, onye bupụta nke ya asị, hey, idebi anyị side na-anya, onye ọbụla nwere, ọ sị na onye ọbụla nwere ebe ọ na-akpa ya na family ya. Ọ bụ onye ọbụla nwere. Onye ọbụla nwere. Why are you guys doing this DOS? Why are you guys pushing her to do things like this? And she shouldn't have even agreed with this woman interview at all. This interview wasn't what people expected from Mazina kind of wife. It was not. And the only people who like it is this DOS Ndo Biojo. The SDOS, they are the only one that will like this interview, because they just want anything that will damage Mazi. You guys have already seen how they came out with whatever Mazi did that one, Mazi did that one, Mazi did that one. They are the only ones that will like whatever she did, because they have your job for her. So have destroyer. They are evil. Yeah. What is wrong with you all? Yeah, I don't care about that one. They talk about whatever them and Simon Eber was doing that time. It's none of my business, because they were fighting themselves. She came and fight Simon. Simon was finding a way to also fight. I don't put my mouth into whatever I don't know. You understand? That time I was not with Simon, and they were fighting themselves. They were calling themselves name. So that is fight where the fight. You ask that Anaha no goma, Konos Nanaha Chogoma. I couldn't fight everybody. All the lie one of the lie for other people here didn't come. Not the lie now, but they talk through. All this is not right. Look at this is the time. Masnaka, look at this the hair. No why obi ojo. Evil heartless woman, they can be can be why na why dị na-adịghọ ka nwoke, nwaanyị na-adịghọ ka nwaanyị. Ifu nwaanyị adịka nwaanyị ajọghapụ ahụ, onye osi jọọ njọ n'ihu ka obi ya si jọọ njọ. Ihe niile gbasara nwaanyị a jọrọ njọ. Nwaanyị a bụ ajọ nwaanyị ka nwaanyị a na-akpọ Nchiki, ọ sị na afọ ya bụ Nneka gịnị, ajọ nwaanyị ka ọ bụ. Ọ ya pushu ajọ nwaanyị ka ọ fụta ihe oge ji wee mezi. Ya Maazị Naka na-emekwa ya nka, Maazị Naka na-emekwa nka, family emekwa ya nka, family emekwa ya nka. Ọ bụ ihe aka anyị bịara. Is this what we are here for? Is that what we're supposed to be doing? Misplaced priorities. Or you talk about finding a way. This time around, since how many months now, all mass now can the Nigerian government couldn't wait destroy his reputation. But Master Kanu is the Igbo, exceptional Igbo man, in terms of integrity, in terms of formidable, in terms of not betraying us. Mazi Ijiaka, I know Genazo. Forget about Ndo Biojo, evil, heartless human being. And I koyeri. Interview. I want to interview our leader, Lolo Mazi. This kind of interview, and why I need to give one is nibble Lolo. Yes, no. We are not going to go this. This is not what we're supposed to do. This is not it. I thought the woman said he's calling for peace. I thought this nonsense in one, you know, your neka. Nneka si na ọ na-call for peace na ọ bịara ka o mezie I came so that ihe niile emebi ka o mezie. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu should call for na egodu ndị na-asị Maazị Nnamdi Kanu should call for peace ka ujezi na-emebi. Hey, si akwa unu afụbekwa m ndị dịka unu, ihe dịka unu ajọka ndị obi fi akwa unu ndị ajọ mmụọ.
Outside again without his members and attack. What is your shadow? Jendo, you have and that is the more is the way of the to stop this madness. The only thing that stop for this nonsense. That room again. I want to it can't work. No matter yes, this is doing me.
Ajọ nwanyị ka nwaanyị a bụ ekwa ka ntinye nke a ka unu gere ajọ nwanyị. Amaghị m ka I don't understand these people obi ha ajọka to fear.
So they know how they do their thing, and we shall allow them to do their thing. They know how they do their thing. I'm not a member. Okay, now wait, hold on. Okay, now. Because now the way she cook now, the leader now. But from what you are saying, from what I have seen you doing and saying and acting it, is that you are against Nnamdi Kanu. That is not the truth.
100%.
Now, you are trying to hold on. Wait.
What have you supported him? Nancy, also don't support. What have you supported him for? Whereas you saw somebody's wife, no nanga, give putra one basra family Indian and the Diana family woman, dear family henny. You will see, yes, yapata, you will play beer. You will play a candemad when I say so Mazi cannot keep his family. Family abreka. So he's what are you talking about? Okay, you do support in that sport, man. You destroy it when you know how support. Nneka chikezi nneka ekwe nneka ajọ nwanyị nneka ihu okpo nneka ihu mkpi ibu ajọ nwanyị when be na support nothing when him as na support anything. You went to Sokoto, they paid your fare. They paid for it. You didn't pay with your own money. Give it support. You only went and did one nonsense t-shirt. One is your job, was one is Nigeria, but I will call to so you know why you went there? Because you want to get our people's attention. That is it. You want to get in the morons, in the gangster, not support to get the attention. You did not do them with your good heart. You have a motive of doing what you did that day. It's Nigeria, which is so worried. You have a motive. And now we are seeing it. Koro, we are seeing it. You are exhibiting it. We are seeing it. You better to destroy. You went and did interview. After doing interview and had all these things, instead of you to just say, okay, because we want peace, because since how many days now they have been talking about your husband. Your husband did Kenya. Your husband did your husband did MNK. Your husband did MNK. Okay, let us not air this thing. Happy to say this interview. Forget about it. You just went. Yeah, because you're a content creator, you started putting page 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. You can't even view. And Igbo a heartless human being. Igbo one Igbo. One case apako. Tfia kwa ya bongono. Ya bongono Igbo ajo one. Igbo ajo one. Say okocharagi ona adagi okocharagi yeri na. Yes, okochara gị ka ndị di ya wee kpọ ya asị nwaanyị nwụrụ anwụ nwaanyị nwụrụ maka ihe niile abụcha Biafra ka nwaanyị a ji obi ha ji nwụcha. You say yes, I play ya because na US as he play it. Don't worry, then we will continue to deal with the Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. We don't care, whatever. Make una bring it. Do you have another thing to come up with again? Is there any more? When they play channel, they play. Hey. Is there any more now? It's all done and dusted. Perfect. We are happy it's done and dusted. When they play, unu ewepụtazie na nwunye ya si ya bịa kwukwa nke o yi ekwu. What else? Wee ọzọ maybe tomorrow na unu ekwenye gbepụta nwaanyị si na maazị atụbara nwaanyị, unu asịgodu na ọ tụbara, unu ọ mụtagodo ihe ọbụla unu furu kwuzie. We don't care. Manu, me Ifi, I will continue to love and defend my leader, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. He is the exceptional Igbo man that I know that have stood for Umu Igbo and help Umu Igbo not to go into all this camp. Ndị Hausa, ndị Fulani, ndị Boko Haram na-send ndị mmadụ na Boko Haram, go to Plateau State, go to Benue, go to Taraba, go to all of those places. They are all gone. They are all in the camp. But this man saw tomorrow. He said, I need to protect my people so that they will not be. He saw tomorrow. Instead of you to fight away to, because of since when? Na share n'ihe niile a na-ashia na redio Biafra. Federal Mekpono, redio Biafra create o ji wee mepecha anya that he used to educate us to make us know the truth. You are now using it to be fighting him, using it to be destroying his image and character, to destroy him. Ụwa na-afụ unu na-akụrụ na aka unu na-emete ọfụma.
You have not supported that one that I have.
What have you?
You have not supported one that I have. Let me tell you, because I like Cal, I'm telling him the truth. What you are doing now, you have never, you can't do what I'm telling Cal today. Cal should go and fix IPOB. He is dividing IPOB. I am somebody that is in prison. Only not a prison. It's one with a hierarchy. But somebody that is in prison, that is in dungeon, that is languishing in prison, that you are here calling him all different kinds of names, but he has hierarchy. So what has that hierarchy you are supporting always, which is DOS, what has they done? Why have they allowed all the wrong that is happening? From 2017, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu left the source of this country. What did he do? You might keep on here, we have a problem.
Hey!
They have hierarchy.
Onanania.
They know how they do their thing.
Now don't they hear mama no also go to Kenya ihe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu mepụtara. Una mama nneka iwu okpo, nneka ajọ nwanyị, nneka nwanyị obi ọjọọ ọpụtara na-esi ụmụ Igbo una na ya kwọtị ke nneka nna ajụ nke nwanyị nwe odi ka ihe dị gị mepụtagoro na Igbo ka ọ na ịnụ ha odi di gị na ya bi o mepụtara gị ụmụnne gị nke ihe ha mepụtara help secure na Igbo nke ka nna ajụ dị ajụ a ebe ị na-asị ka ihe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu mepụtara nke nwa bụ nneka ka ihe nke nwa bụ nneka mepụtagoro na Igbo ọ dịghị nụrụ ka ihe o mepụtagoro nothing ịpụtago ka ị destroy ya. But ka anyị gwa gị that na this work ị bịara ime Chiokike abịa maka ị destroy gị, ọ gaghị adịrị gị na mma, ọ gaghị adịrị gị mpụ nneka na mma. Ebe nke nwa bụ nwaanyị joinụrụ ndị obi ọjọọ wee si na bịa nke na ndị DOS wee SDOS team up wee na-akọ iri na-akọ rubbish, ọ gaghị adịrị unu na mma. Ihe mma na ihe onye ọbụla akụrụ ọ ga-abụrụ unu mkpụrụ ọnụ na-akụ unu ga-aghọrọ ya. Mana let me assure you that Maazị will come out. Play unu nke ọzọ ka m play another one ka unu na-anụ ihe nwaanyị si na ọ pụtara for if freedom anyị.
Let me tell you something. Only
this man tụgidere asị tugbuo onwe ya from 350 also none of 450. These are the people that is fighting and get you ndị na-defend the DOS. All of them are liars. Ndị asị ka ha, they have no truth. Enwe eziokwu dị ha n'ọnụ. All of them they defend the DOS in SDOS. They have no truth to tell you guys. These are the people that you guys will go and be saying, we are listening to you. DOS is wise. The quantity they defend her and the way Hosato can dance at. That is not why I want to play that neck. I know fear. Okay, yeah, differ. Nneka anụ ọfịa. Nneka, Chineke ya akpọ gị ọkụ na wepụta.
Let me tell you something.
Okay, so crucify a brother that is in a place where he cannot defend himself.
I don't want. All I'm telling you guys that na Nneka anụ ọfịa, Nneka nwa ekpi, Nneka ihu ezi, imeta imi ya dịka ọ bụghị ka nwaanyị si adị. She has no good heart. Onweghị obiọma. Nwaanyị a bụ ajọ nwaanyị, ezigbo ya. Because ọ bụ na nwaanyị a bụ ezigbo nwaanyị, ọ bụ na ọ chọghị destroy Maazị, ọ bụ na o nweghị intention, because then they do SDOS and work together. Hands in hand, they're working hand in hand to see that Maazị remain there. Because ị gaghị agwa m that na ọ pụtara play this voice, play chacha voice ya, play chacha ya na-enwe aṅụrị na-eplay ya. Nwunye Maazị Nnamdi ka na-agụ ya emechacha ya interview, play chacha voice, ọ sị ya yes na ihe niile a ka o si wee dị, mana di ya nọ inside. Ihe eme bụ ọ bụ na nwaanyị mma ihe, na Nneka ma ihe, ọ ga-asị ya no, we don't want this time around. All we want is peace. How do we make peace? Call Maazị to go and make peace with US. It's the same US that sent her to go and do this. Me, I don't even know why Maazị Nnamdi wife. Well, that is her choice. We go and join hand with the Borodias. I don't even know. I don't know. We just join hand with the Borodias. Mama koge simo do mama. Obona ya na di aka budinama amaham. So say ya no we ama. Obana ya na di aka na anu amaham ya. So say ya no we ama. Man ihe ma bụ that na ihe o mere na ọ dị hom. Let us tell ourselves the truth. This thing of you ojireme it's not good. Enweghị family na na-enwe issue. Chere mgbe di apụta. Kịta o mere interview ya na di nwunye di ha na ha ya na-afụnụ n'anya. Ha ga ya ọ bụgodị na ya na di ya anọbazie ka di na nwunye. Kekewu ya na ụmụnne di ya ga-esi wee rapport. So mmadụ na Igbo fụ nwaanyị ọ na-anụ sọsọ di ya. Ndọgbalụ nke ahụ. Nwaanyị anaghị anụ sọsọ di ya nọ n'Igbo. Ị na-anụkwa di gị, ị na-anụ ụmụnne di gị. Ị na-anụ nne di gị. Ị na-anụ ha niile. Kịta ọ jiri apụta aside na destroy cha ha niile. Kwuo ihe o kwesịghị ikwu n'ihu ha. Kwuo ihe o kwesịghị ịgwa ụmụ ụwa. Ka ha ga-esi wee nụzi, nke ka ya na di ya ga-esi, maybe na ọ chọọzi ịnụ di ya, I don't know. Maybe na ha na-achọ, ha na-aba achọ ọzọkwa ha anụba. Because ọ bụ na ọ na-think na ha na di ya ga-ya anụ, ọ kaghị ịpụta bịa na-akọ ihe niile ọ na-akọ iri n'ọnụ, ọ kaghara ikwu ya, ha. Ọ kaghara ikwu ya. Ọ kara ịgbasị nkịtị. Nwunye dịka gbasịrị onwe ya nkịtị. Ọ bụrụ na ọ na-ata afụ na ha afụghị ya n'anya, ọ na nke a mere nke a na-eme, ọ hapụgoro okwu. Nke ọ pụtara wee were ụmụnne di ya niile wee kwuo na ha ka ha si wee chọ igbu ya, ka ha si wee chọ ime ya nke a, ha megide ya, marriage ya ọ ka ya wọkụzi. I don't know, I'm just saying my own. Because ofu onye anaghịkwa anụ nwaanyị na Igbo, ofu nwoke anaghị anụ. Maazị anyị hapụta na asị Maazị ya kpọrọzi nwunye ya, si ya ụmụnne ya niile na-achọzi anything to do with them. I don't know, because mụ na-ekwukwa my own ka o si dị. Na Igbo ofu onye anaghị anụ nwaanyị, ụmụnne di na anụ nwaanyị, nne di na anụ nwaanyị, ha niile na-anụ. You have a family. This is family matter. Yeah, family. Oh, here this evil woman is one. Can you see mba na ihe a family ka agara ijebe ebe a, because ọ chọrọ ma na ihe ọ chọrọ ime, and ọ chọrọ ka o destroy. Ọ chọrọ dị aka destroy. Now they want to put that is her aim. She have accomplished it. Her aim is to make the world know that Maazị Nnamdi is not a good man. To make the world know that Maazị cannot control his family. Maazị not control family. Maazị not there. Has he ever been there? He's always away, traveling. Because Uchechi mana this is I know. I believe na Maazị gwara ya gwa. I know I'm fighting for freedom. My people freedom. I believe he told her. I believe Uchechi knew that this is what she's signing as a wife. Because it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be roses at all. It's not going to be roses for you. Because this man, this is him. I believe he told you that this is not going to be easy for me. Oh, I have to be traveling. I have to be doing this. Oh, she agreed, and they got married. oga hosna anyuri ama kafa that, what is the name of that one? What's the name of that one? What's name? Oh, Mazop man. That time also that I met him here, but they still did. Father-in-law continue. All of them still agree. I say, go and complete the bride price. Go and finish whatever you want to finish. That means they wanted her in. Marriage is always like, some people will not like you, some will like you. It's always like that in a home. No home is saying is sent. Family self, maybe na at the worst. So what is this all about? Ihe bụ problem na ọ ga-abụ ka unu wee megide maazi ka unu wee si ya play this thing. Go ahead and play it. US as go ahead, because that is their work. Ọ ha mere ya. Ọ ha na nneka nwa ajọ nwaanyị na-alụ. US na nneka, all this ex-US na nneka ajọ nwaanyị na-alụ together. Or say go ahead and play it. We must destroy him. We must show the world that he's not. But look at a man now. Somebody abroad now went to a place and start talking about the man. The one called Mike and no Android. And it's not Android. It's not Android. The one I'm hold on. Let me put my chat. Mike and Android. You know what I start talking about? Nemeka wana Maria. When I call no another need destroy here. Shame on all of them. Fair man. Woo! Shame on all of them. Then after he has done it, the wicked, heartless man, Nkebu, the one that goes about trying everywhere to destroy Mazin and can name, the one they call Chinas and one evil. What he says now, test me. He not posted. This man, whatever. Because if somebody in Turkey have done it and they recognize the person, so therefore nobody should talk about the Mazi again, because the one of Turkey did it and what happened. So for that, nobody should talk about the Mazi again. And you guys are sharing that nonsense. And tomorrow you say you playing for Mazi to come out. Oh, we are praying for Mazi to come out. Look at this is it. Let me bring it up. Shut up your mouth, I don't want. Who are you? Local champion. Anofia cannot even be able to Igbo this thing. Uno Karima have value, how to value mass and Nandakam. Nafia. Can't tell me. We in the full in oh, quite yes, no threat. No, we are the full of them. The Queen de Boko Ham na Fulani, Mam Deneme, or Quancac, and men are there. Discussion. Mothers and kids abducted by terrorists in Keba, Kanu, area of Kogi State. Oh no, do you know them? My ability not one mass. Open up here, creative. Yes, and be a first, be a beroga on ya. We have Jenny more here. We're not to pursue the Fulani. We're not to pursue her, not to pursue her. We're not to pursue her, not to pursue her. Church have put to pursue her and you. But that only carry it like this. The bell no we're joining and they know Bodo Ibo West, so not cut the same mass. Because now they know Bodo Ibo, Hamakwaman and family. Nanibu. Hamakwaman hang with family Nanibu. Where we are not cut to see our leader, Mazin and the camera. Now see that now. No way in your man. The good in your Mayana, Kono, Nasi, Gia Mazin and Canomere for how many Chidaka Goku, I don't want. Why, I don't want why you work or the Obuka if you know working on myself. It won't work after her mamma one. If we are not, we are the good beard. ajọ nwaanyị na-asị n'osi ka ihe maazị Nnamdi Kanu megoro ka ihe maazị Nnamdi Kanu megoro. I wish na ndị terọrist ya bịa tọrọ nwaanyị ya, na ha ya abịa bịa kpọrọ ya kpọrọsị ụmụ ya niile, kpọrọ ha niile ka o wee mara ihe maazị Nnamdi Kanu mere. Anụ ọfịa nwaanyị, evil soul nwaanyị dịka gị. I wish na ha ya bịa kpọrọ gị ka ị wee mara ihe maazị Nnamdi Kanu mere. Then maybe that one ọnụ gị ya echi anụ ọfịa. Some of you ebidokwana maazị Nnamdi Kanu ụmụnne ego n'ụlọ, ụmụnne eme na nka onye akụnye na-eme nwee anything, nothing else, because unu niile abụgo misplaced priorities. Nwezi anything unu na-ekwuzi gbasara freedom, gbasara maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Ihe ụnụ masị bụ dị na find fault asịkwa fault for all fault na find about fault nugo isi n'ike. So ndị DS dịrị ndị SDS ha gogbusigo unu. Find about fault from ihe niile. Find about fault nọ n'ebe ahụ. Unu adị ozi serious if choose freedom unu n'ozi ihe niile. Nekwa ya ka ihe Chinasa nwa John nekwa ya, nekwa that post ka the post that man jere na London jere na ihe na ha. Nekwa ihe post unu after ka this man ke afa ya, after ka this man jechara kwuo gbasara maazị Nnamdi Kanu, this man after ka o jechara je kwuo gbasara maazị Nnamdi Kanu, immediately okwu ha na-akwụchara ya fona na-echi ya ihe niile online. Onye obi ọjọọ, ndị obi ọjọọ ha na gang best of the same father ha na Nneka Chimezie ihu pig ha niile. They now came out, they started talking. Look at what somebody talk. Look at, is there any foreigner who has made that noise about IPOB and Biafra to the extent Shiabalon ke Turkish man? Or Shiabalon ke Turkish man? Now Turkish man has done it before. So this is not new. So he doesn't want any other person to talk about it. He doesn't want any other person to come and talk about the Maazị Nnamdi Kanu release. Obido Shiabalon ke Turkish man, ke Turkish man or Shiarun ya. Oh yeah, call Shiarun. Yeah, so for that, now hey, may go before. I know some have been giving up. Why? Which is why when they see any white person discussing Biafra, they rush to view that person as their savior and are willing to lie. They rush to view anybody as a savior. They are anywhere. Contact which international community have you reached out to? And then we see it. Which one? Evil soul. Which one have you done? And then we witness it. I told you, because you don't want any progress. You don't want to work against the Mazi to come out. See, I know some have given up, which is why when they see any white person discussing Biafra, they rush to view that person as their savior and are willing to lie that they are playing billions to him just for the deceitful reason. That is an evidence they have lost it and have nothing again. It's just a matter of time. The Nigerian government will approach the person and he or she will quietly gone mute. So for that, don't go anywhere again. Don't approach anybody. That is what Nigerian government did to you now. They approach you and they paid you money. If you doubt they didn't pay you money, because according to all the things that is happening, the Nigerian government also paid you money. It's not happening. That's it. Leader, one of them that's supposed to they wanted to bribe 500 million. Look at that God this 500 million. That God this then all how many times in Kuwait you went all there. Here 500 million. They are here now try us. 500 million ki ya China some evil and do to ya. For you na so Nigerian government will not pay the person, they will not talk. So for that, nobody should talk about the Mazi. because Nigeria government is going to go and be paying them. So don't talk about anybody shouldn't go. Don't approach anybody. Don't have any contact. Don't ever do anything because Nigeria government is going to pay and they will not. So that is what Chinas and Wood is advising you guys to do. And you guys are sharing rubbish. This will not brain a destroy gear. You cannot use it. Make use of it. You can't make use of it. That is what is sharing. That is what is shared. What else? So that anything bringing positive to Mazi Nagano or anybody saying any positive thing, they will go and attack the person straight ahead. They will attack the person. Either they attack them in a cunning way so that we know, but we are decoding it. We are decoding everything they are doing. And then you guys are still there. Because this man mentioned Mazi Nagano. You guys are still there. That is what this evil soul is asking you. Let me play this one. Let me play this one. Where is the voice? We're going to hear Mazi. Can you hear Mazi Nagano? That's what it's asking you. Can you hear Mazi Nagano? If you're going to hold your own. Yeah, now. That is what it's asking you. But at least Mazi Nagano, well done for making it possible for us, for the international community, for the world. Without you, the Biafra that we are looking for today, we will just still be there saying we are one Nigeria. We will not even say, I can Nafu. But at least for today, we are seeking for our freedom. It is Mazi that did it. That the world is hearing about Biafra today, thinking about saying, oh, these people, they say they want to go, they want to have their freedom. It is Mazi that did it. For the Fulani not to come to our land, and as they are in other places now, destroying and killing and unlifing people and doing all taking over their land, it is Mazi that did it. So what else? That this ugly soul wine. So that it's going to say, what has Mazi done? What has Mazi done? Now let me play this one. Mazi. Let me play.
About Fulanization agenda, we all laughed. Yeah. We say, what he is saying.
I want to start from the beginning.
But we ignored when.
No, I want to start from the beginning.
We ignored when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was telling us about Fulanization agenda. We all laughed. We say, what he is saying or his submission is divisive in nature. His submission is detrimental to the peace and unity of Nigeria. But today, what is happening? His prophecy has come to pass. Fulanization agenda is advancing day by day.
Let's talk about
that one aside. Let's talk about the visit of His Excellency's wife to Kano State yesterday. She visited Kano and she was warmly welcomed by the Kano State governor. And with the Kano State governor was a little girl wearing Fulani attires and holding calabash. What was that trying to put into Her Excellency's mind? They were trying to tell her that Kano State belongs to the Fulani people. The Fulani people that you know. The ones that you know that don't have even one local government in Nigeria, talk less of having the whole state.
We know they are not Nigerians.
But look at what the governor is trying to portray, that Kano State belongs to the Fulani people. So thank God that Her Excellency is a learned person. And I know that she must have read about.
That is not what I want to play. All I want to play that one that you guys had. That Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was saying it then. And they did not listen.
But we ignored. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was telling us about Fulanization agenda, we all laughed. We say, what he is saying or his submission is divisive in nature. His submission is detrimental to the peace and unity of Nigeria. But today, what is happening? His prophecy has come to pass. Fulanization agenda is advancing day by day.
Let's talk about that one.
Are you listening? This is it. When you were saying it, some of you are saying it's not possible. Maz, how do you think that the Fulani will have agenda? The Fulanization agenda is not possible. Jihadist agenda, Maz, stop making noise. You are shouting. You are just a noise maker. You are fearmonger. You just continue to put fear on us. Today, you are now seeing it happening. And it's the same man that warned us The same man that was warning us how many years ago he was warning. He was warning and warning. I said, Igbo, get ready. Igbo people no. He went to America to ask them to say, people no support or will tell you you want to put fear, you want us to go to war again. No, you want us say and also war, not prepare. But you don't know. You get yourself ready, defend yourself, because these people are coming. Today, is it not happening? And everywhere in Nigeria are not saying, Mas Nankano warned us. Mas Nankano told us so. Now it's happening. But you, your jaw, you, this evil soul of a woman, is saying, what has Mas Nankano done since Ojimepe IPOP? Amadu Hamabu Kwagi Neka chicken, Neka, whatever you call yourself. Amadu Hamabu Kwagi, and Igbo Kubo Gebahino, and no of your wine. You have come to destroy. This is come to you haven't done. What have you done for Mazin Nandekano? You only went and pretended how many shirts that you went with because there's a reason why you did it. You have a ulterior motive. You did it because you want the IPOP. And once the people shouted the IPOP, I'm supporting the Mazin, everybody will come and join. That's why you did it. You may hear with Obigi. Ibadan, you did it. Now you're Potago. Now you are coming. Now you have gotten them. People that are clapping for you and calling you a mommy, mommy, mom. Now you have gotten them. Oh, they are following you and they are sharing your program. And that is it. And now China Samwa Evil have given you the money in from Nigerian government. Hey, you go here. Then you are dancing another. You are now supporting evil, telling us yes, you are here. You have the. Why did he make Goria Kainu? One court case after Kijeria, it's also because you know why you did it. You now follow Soweri to march, and then you said you printed a t-shirt. How much is the t-shirt? I'm gonna look at this shirt. Local champion, like how much is the t-shirt? Only I go the kage. I'm gonna look at t-shirt that you went and did it. That is what you did for Mazin. Now you brought Mas and the kind of wife out to come and start talking rubbish. You know what you see. And I kurugaka. And I share. The romance and the kind of share. Now, when I see you guys are fighting for freedom, you are a freedom fighter. We are fighting for freedom. We want Mazin. We don't even want Mazin and Kano. We want Biafra. Getting within Biafra without the Mazin. Let me see. Una Biafra without a Mazin. Let me tell you. No go get her. As long as soon they make them Mazin and the with that Biafra. Then you can't day what to Biafra. Chicken head doesn't give on China and wool. And there just see when they really see what on Biafra. None of him wins who could have on. And your Hannah here. He sold their soul. 500 million Kenya, when you also is so not disappointed. If I tell you that I'm not disappointed, I am so disappointed. I'm not going to hide my feeling or Guinea. I senior you, so I will talk to you. Would you my this invitation or honor this thing to talk? If you want to even honor, then now my phone hypothesize he reportable my digging around you could be not queer now side the key queer about not get a digging an put out social media now call him say Ofoy on a no wine on a no wine, Ofoy on a no wine and Igbo. Emakwana Igbo Buka. You open an anogi. Everybody is open and wagging on a private school. You just open on a private na public school is the same with private school for peace to reign. You just open and wagging and a private public school, they are all the same. The same curriculum, the same thing. That one is not even expensive. It is for free. It happened on her. What is this all about? Eh? Anako Burakuko. Oburakuko. Hi, Chineke kwani ihe ọjọọ afụbekwa ha. Ifere unu egbuo na m. Ifere unu egbuo na m egbuo. Unu ihe unu na-eme bụ ndị na ha china ha na somebody talk now say, are you an old member? Ndị na-defend the mass na nkanu. The people that are not even old member one, they are the one defending our leader. Mono abu old member are the one destroying him. Shame on all of them. Because of Chinasa Mwaketa na Chinasa Muru unheard their voice, unheard voice, yeah. Oh man, sin na the kind of voice where say, I am joining this Biafra struggle. Not even chicken edozigim, not Chinasa Muru, none of any member of DOS, none. It is a mass. So why are you sad? Because now you have with the if not, only voice I couldn't stand with. That is the person you should be loyal to. Is there anything wrong in you being loyal to him? Una putana koyiri. Onye okwu nasi. Une picture on maybe he do no man. But that is what you guys are good at. Shameful people. Very shameful. Na koyari. Nezuzu yari. Ndala. Shame on all of them. Aburu no. Hi. Fear.
Did you guys hear what?
To fear. Ifele mekon. Ifele moon. Ifele moon nine. Nigeria soldier. Ifele moon nine. Chicken edozigi ma ajọ nwoke. Evil man. Unu nine ifele moon. I beg. If you like, let it go. Who cares? Was another thing they will bring out. They brought out Ma's wife to come and talk about his husband now is not able to be a man. He's not a man because he allowed his brothers to be doing this to his wife. Ma's is not even around. He doesn't stay around. He's always traveling. Yeah? For your na nwanyị na Igbo. O weburu okwu. Ka ihe na-ese okwu, gịnị na-ese okwu? Akpọgodi gasị iwere akọ n'uche na-eme n'ihe. Ọ gịnị? O weburu nsogbu. Weburu trouble nye na-akọ na-apụta online na-akọ iri ka ndị na-enwe ha common sense. Obu did this your husband say I don't want it if I age for. Is there anything wrong? Ebon all used gear before. He knows why he doesn't want. Mazi is not a baby, not a child. Onaka here my hemara. Onaka homas in nan can hemara. No, na prison doesn't mean that his intelligence is gone. No. All this conspiracy you guys are conspiring against him we doesn't care. Let me warn you, we don't care. We'll sell anywhere. We are Hamas have billions of Biafra Igbo that love him. People that are not registered member that doesn't even want to be registered. How can people even come and register? Register nothing in IPOP. Just support the Hamas. Register anywhere because that evil, that do your job. Don't go and register to join and say you want to take oath. Don't take any oath and don't register. I mean, they tell them. We don't even go register, go take oath. We regretted it because I don't know that people are mean and wicked. What is the point of taking oath and being IPOP registered? Well, now I know we're not supposed to mass in because I've been hearing voices. So many of you say I am not IPOP member, I am not registered. But the mass is all we know. He's an Igbo man that we have loved, and nobody can stop it. You see, like that. Only register anywhere anymore. More in the jury start saying we have a meeting. Let those and they will not asylum. Let them be registering and be giving them money. Let them be, because those ones want paper. In short, if they know how to stop that paper, for them not to give you guys paper, anybody that will do it. We don't want these people. These people are cancer. These people are evil. what kind of nonsense people are you? Common love you can't show human being. When a whoop your job, baggy don't know job, babu. How could that be? If for him, them at the day, them at the day. Hi, shia na-egbu onye nwaanyị Igbo. Ifere unu na-egbu onye na-akpọ ụmụ eme man were man. Egodo ụmụ nwoke na-akọ asịrị na-ejegharị. Kpọta nne ka ajọ nwaanyị ya bịa so n'ụkọba asịrị imi ịda imi ivu so negodo ka ihu ya dị negodo ihu ya negodo ihe ọmụnwaanyị ihe ọmụmadụ ihe ọnwoke ka nwaanyị negodo ka ọ dị. Ifere nwaanyị shameful woman na-ajụ anyị sị what has the maazị have done, what has he done for all these years? Gịnị ka nke ọ bụrụ na ịnụrụ di gị ihe di gị megoro ka Igbo dị mma ka ihe di gị megoro nne ka Igbo gị dị mma tụfie akwa gị abụrụ ngwa ọnụ ajọ nwaanyị ka ịbụ useless woman. Abeg, me I am done because I hate injustice you guys are doing to man. I hate it. It's not fair. It's not nice. It's not nice. The man is in prison. The man is there suffering. And what you guys are doing good at, from one thing to another, from one to another, just distraction, nothing else. Nigeria have done it for you guys to be distracted. Distracted. There's a focus. You are not focusing anymore to fight for the freedom you want. It's all now. I don't know who MNK, lawyer MNK, the more sibling MNK, MNK. Oh, you are going to if 100 men who not attack. We don't want it. We don't want 100 men. It will be like Simon. It will be like this one because you guys are evil. Not the evil. The 100 men are going to know 100 men in a Bibu in the Biafra. How can 100 people know a group? Just send the band by down more fear. Common sense. When I hear you know, but China and what evil Abraham no unesia. China and one open will go on, you know. Jupiter made the sales about how to know, yatus no. But I don't know. But I don't know. Can they do us in the evil? How the wicked have two months and can I? And I call Bravo or how did you what I neck a call about fighter or how did you take Mazin Landcano a mayor interview? I say we have interview. Get ready, and I share all this while. Mustn't hank it. I follow you one. We have booked the interview 1, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4, or tier 5. Go to her ego. How can that be? How can that be? Just to discredit Mazin, just to make him to feel like Mazin. Hey, if you talk now, they say after you can't control your wife. You can't control your family. You can't control this one. How can that one? Hana family had the disarray. Some of them work family was a wife. Some of them wouldn't have happened. Some of them, so many things have happened to their family. But they will come now. Habun sent other people's family now is now the one who made mockery. Maz's family now because now the Nigerian government doesn't want, they just want to discredit him, his reputation. But this is the last card. We can't do that. Another one. Card also. We don't care. We don't care. He is our leader. 100 from now till tomorrow. Never stop. Millions love him and will continue to love him. And you can't deter us from loving him. And we are here to defend him. We are here to defend him. We'll be now about one. That Joe, you might not know. If might not know, but a lawyer, your husband doesn't want it. He doesn't want it. He said he doesn't want it. Respect him. You have tried your best. That's fine. What else? Then because of that, then you went to see him. He said, let there be. Instead of you to come and be agitating for the peace, you now came and talk. Disappointed. Brakoko. I beg, make una come out. Can be a couple Uchechi, I can know hear them. Uchechi, well done. You said the best thing. You don't wear. Who does that? When you can wear me, I like him. Not happy. talking about your family matter in public. If you cannot ask yourself why Nas can never come out on his brother to talk about what is happening between him and his wife all this while. My dear, di na nwunye na-ekwu, di na nwunye na-esokwu okwu. Onye bupute nke ya yiro, ụmụnne na ụmụnne na-eso okwu, family na-eso okwu. Onye bupute nke ya yiro ndị uwe were akọ akụkọ. O tụpụtara n'onwe ya akwụkwọ ihu ilo. Onye ọbụla na-ekwu n'ifu. Did you see the video Ikenga Urago did against you? Oh, Ikenga Urago mere video against me. You know, said na m ka afụ m. Said there am ka afụ m ihe o mere against me ifi. O sị na m mere ya gịnị? Said there am ka afụ m ihe o kwuru. Ọ na ka ha si blackmail mmadụ. They don't have the truth. Said there am mama said my dear Udo Chukwu. Send it to my WhatsApp. My which one? My messenger. Ka m gerekwa m ihe onye nke a na-akụgheri. Ka m gere m ihe ọ na-akụgheri. Nwe ihe ha ya ekwufọ. Ọ na-aka ha ya esi na-enwe obi ọjọọ, dị so heartless. Ndị obi ọjọọ. Agbara ha na-akpata ike, agbara ego nye ha. Ha niile were na-akọtazizi ma our leader. Ka anyị bịa kụbara ha aka. Ha ma ha na ya anyị kwadoro akwado for them. Anyị kwadoro for them. Not our leader. No. Can't happen. Kegiri aga ọdị ihe okwu gbasara ma don't care. Onwe ihe ọ ga-asị na oju ma onwe ihe ọ ga-asị na mụ mere. Kọtakọta obupute ihe ọ sị na mụ mere Nelly. Onwe ihe ọzọ ha ya ekwu. Ọ bụ mụ mere ihe Nelly. Nelly jere kọrọ onwe ya nsogbu. Ya nwa ga-eti onwe ya nsogbu n'ahụ. Mmadụ nnọkọta na-anọkọta ewe mmadụ wesị m bịa na-emere m ọgwụ. Imechara m ọgwụ wesị m mụ yipụsị akwa m ka ị na-afọ ọtọ m. Ee, ebe ka ndị nke a na-eme. Mmadụ si na ọma ihe isi ọ jere ịchọ pawa. Ya jiri aka akọrọ onwe ya ọbọ mere ihe mere ya. Ọ bụ m si Nelly jee yipụ akwa. Asị m ya yipụ akwa jee send bara ụmụ nwoke abụra m ya anụ mgbe o mere nnọkọta nnọọ na mmadụ nwoke dasị m yipụsịba akwa m na ọ na-emere m ọgwụ ya emere m ọgwụ a nidiri m ịgba ọtọ enweghị yipụsịba akwa m awụ na go naked ka wee mere m ọgwụ ka m bụrụ ọtọ enwe asị m sebe pichọ esebe m na-enye ha isechacha na-akọ isi na pichọ gị ya dị save judge me tie ndị chiara pichọ ya outside nobody to stop if abeg good night no go. Is there anybody that want to call? You want to call? I'm free. Let me put my number there. You can call if you want to contribute. If you don't want to call, that is fine. I'll close the program. Let me put my number. If you want to call, but if you call me to talk rubbish, I cut you off. You know, I'll match you. Not come at you. I'm not may take rubbish from anybody. Not take nonsense. Na-akụgheri nke unu asị if na be unu amaka family nke unu abụ ezigbo family unu niile unu na-ebi n'udo. Mmadụ dị ndụ aka agwara na ya na ya ndị na-ebe akwa mesibe n'ike 08 no let me put it. If you want to call me, you call me. If you don't want to call me, that is fine. I don't care. 00 353 85. Don't join them. And then they tell you they have ESL, give them money. Don't give them. They don't have any ESL. Man, they hang on. Buy. Don't give them any money. Don't give anybody money. Keep your money, my dear. Whenever they say keep money here, you give. Don't give anybody any money. And about take. I put my number there. Where else should I put my number so that you can? Let me put it here. That's my number. If you want to call, you call. If you don't want to call, I go in because I'm done talking. 3587 2070 670. Perfect. I have the number. If you call me, I'll pick it up. If you don't want to call me, I go and rest. Too. Go and rest. Na kuyari. Na share. Na ko. Na abra akụkọ a na-akọ. ewo ọkwa ihe emere, ihe emebiwo ndị Igbo. Fear kunu wụrụ mmadụ fighting for freedom, the freedom fighter, fighting for freedom, freedom fighter. Anashia. Hey! Shameful people. Mark Arnold, thank you. We appreciate. You did well. You did very well. Ndị ọ na-ewe ha webe enweghị ha chịkọ since ha nọ nwee nke nwee anybody ha pụtara bịara kwuo gbasara ma since enweghị nke ha ndị nke mere eme ha take glory ndị ohi asị na ọha ndị nke mere eme ha pụta take glory nọọsụ n'ọha because they have nothing to offer. Nwee anything to offer. SDOS have nothing. All they could offer is to go and tell him chicken nwunye go and tell ihu okpo ugly woman association to come and start talking about it, go and interview Maazị Nnamdi Kanu wife and put it online and talk it. Ihe a bụ ihe a kwesịrị ime. Ifere ndị Igbo adịgo tired of na ndị Igbo ifere ndị Igbo na-emezi ụlọ. That's not about IPOP. They first asked her how she met her husband. How she met. Ana Junior and Casey met today. Obu ya ni na ka na akọcha. Ogo na okoro ha si met her husband. Ka adịba n'okwu. Obo obido kọba. Okoro nka okoro eba. Ana ajụ ya. Nwaanyị ahụ na-ada ya n'ahụ. The body language show that this woman, even Uchechi no nwe ya, does it mean ọ na ha afụ ihe a nwaanyị a na-ekwu gbasara di. Ọ bụ na Maazị bụ di ya. Ọ na ha afụ ihe ọ na-ekwu gbasara di ya. Osimba, I can't this no that this is this. Ọ ma ihe ọ ya-ekwu. O je ebe a kọba. Okoro nke ọ na-akọ na-amụ, ọ na-akọ. Aba anyị metaziri gị ebere na ihe na-aga through. Yes, anyị metara gị ebere, ọ dịghị izi ihe na-aga through. Mana ọ bụ ya ka ihe ji wee je ebe a wee na-akọ kọgide na-akọ ihe asị akọ na-akọ ịkọ. Ọ bụ sọsọ gị nụrụ di ya nwere problem na family gị dị gị. Ndị ọbụla na-enwe ndị na-anụ ọbụ na ha niile akpọchakwanụ gị asị. Ụmụnne dị gị niile enwezi nke fụrụ gị n'anya. Ihe dịkwa n'ụwa. Ka mmadụ ga-esi wee nụ dị ụmụnne dị ya niile enwezi nke na-akịrị ya. Ụdị ihe nke abụọ. At least ọ ya enwerịrị mmadụ 1 or 2 or 3 ya like n'oge nụ. Ọ gịnị dị ihe nke a? Biko kọrọ nụ jebe. Ụmụnne dị gị niile enwezi nke na-akịrị gị. Ijegonu je gị na Maazị ji gị na ya je Maazị pụtazi gị na ya nụba ụnụ nụbara ụmụnne dị gị niile ụnụ niile akpọba onwe na asị ebe a na-ekpọba onwe na asị akụkọ anụmanụ abịara gị maka chifo a na-asị na mmadụ dị intelligent nwa na-afụkwa ha no mba parents ọ bụ ya atụkwa na-enyekwa poison enyekwa ha poison. Ọ bụ ihe a na-akọ n'akụkọ. Ọ bụ ihe a na-akọ. Hey! Fear. Bye no. Nobody want to call. So me, I'm going to rest. You know go? Bye. Thank you. I don't care if you call. Make una no call. Yeah. As I want make una call and no call. So me, I'm going to rest. Help me share this program. That's all you can do. Good night. Love you all. Take care. Unu esozina ndị ajọ mmadụ. Unu esozina ha. Mepee na anya. Ndị na-eso ha esozina ha. Mepee na anya na ndị afọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu n'anya. Ọ Maazị Kanu voice ya wee join na this. Unu join ho. Unu anụ voice Chicken edozighi. Unu anụ voice Chinasa nwa evil. Unu anụ voice Agbani. Unu anụ voice any of them unu anụ ho. Maazị Kanu voice. Now unu ha edu na ha chọrọ destroy Maazị. But Maazị is undestroyable. They cannot destroy him. Agaghị destroy nwe ya. Agaghị destroy nwe ya. Ka ha na-akụzi bụ Chinachi gị ihe a na-akụzi Kanuta. Ọ bụ Kanuta ka anyị nụrụ voice ya wee so struggle. Did I follow Kanuta voice? Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is the one. Ya ma bụ onye nụrụ voice and he's standing, and so for that I am standing with him, not Kanuta Kanu. And akụkọ ya ọ bụrụ akụkọ. And voice Maazị nwunye Maazị Uchechi. I know hear her voice. She is nothing to me. She just man's wife. She can go one side and stay and do her own thing. Me, I'm supporting my leader, the one that I know that I heard his voice, and the one that I know that he has a mantle for my people's freedom, and not anybody. I don't care. Ọ na-akọ akọgide every time, a na-akọ akọrọje ebe akọrọje ebe akọrọje ebe o wee bụrụ ihe unu pụtara ụwa anyị dị na-akọ echi na-ebupụta ọzọ na na-ebupụta ka unu na-ebupụta ka unu na-edisgrace onwe unu, ka unu na-ebupụta ka ụmụ Igbo na-afụ na DOS is evil, ka unu na-ebupụta ka ha na-afụ na Maazị was crying. That's why I need unu nọ n'ebe ahụ na-asị I need 100 men, I only got 15. Unu nọ ebe a according to no wise. DOS is wise. You are wise people, but your leader was saying then, that was before he was rendition, that there is no man. Or now I say there is no man. When we work at the home and working at cast. I need 100. No one to be 100. But when you claim none of the wise, DOS are wise. Or destruction, you will destroyer. Destroyer konobo. Unu je kpọta ajọ nwaanyị ka ọ bịa join unu. Mana ajọ nwaanyị ahụ agaghị succeed. I got succeed in what? I don't want to succeed. I put my WhatsApp number. Call me now. You are there appeasing me. Call me. Your WhatsApp number is there. Look at it. I put it. If you check my this thing, you will see it there. I put it there. Call me if you want to call me and abuse me as a ocha. Call me and come and abuse me. When also know them where. No, them where be na wine now go now and when also know them where. Call me. Call me. Akwa agwago m unu na unu kpọọ m akwụna na-ekwetere m nsogbu adị na nne unu onye ọbụla ụmụnne nwaanyị niile bụ akwụna, anyị niile akwụna na nsogbu adịghọ, anyị niile anyị bụ akwụna, no problem. Call me. Na-akọ every now and then one story or the other, every now and then one story. Isi na nke apụta isi na ọzọ baya jikwa dị ebute ọzọ ịfụ ha n'ihe this one pụtara na-asị ọkwa si na 250 300 350 now ọ change na ọ na my number is there. Check the YouTube. Afraid of any call. The number is there now. Look, let me put it here again. Let me see if the number is not showing there. Oh, the number is not showing. Yeah, the number is showing. The number is showing on my Facebook. Are you not seeing it? My number is showing. Intelligent person. I know the share that interview. Me come and play it here. I know they play. How they even share? We have to put it nowhere. Na share intelligent. Na share interview. Make I go listen more. After listening to this interview, I didn't know that Mazi anakwiri. Then in life you'll be hard the bad. He won't hope you. I'm telling you guys. Then happen that you for a shop or Mazi and the canals. Ndo tu chinasa muru. Ndị kpọrọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ọ ha nwa na-ashịa ya. Ị na-anụ? Ọ ha na-ashịa ya. Ọ bụrụ ndị ọbụla from Maazị anya ha share rubbish ya. So when anything did there, ya family ha just sort ya out. Asịkwa ejekwa akpọkwa Kanu ka Kanu ta gwazie gị si gị nga agwụkwa na mmadụ mana gị na Kanu ta adịghọ na mma. Ihe for 2017 ka gị na adị wee sebe okwu. Ịkpọbazi HOD gị nwa. Ịkpọbazi DOS gwa ha nekwana ihe Kanu ta sị m akwụkwọ n'ụlọ ha jikwa my husband. Ha ji my husband biko na unu ma unu ya eme biko na kpọbakwanụ ndị mmadụ. Kanu ta sịkwa m agwakwanụ unu na ha ji di m. Okwuhie Uchechi ekwuhie. Kanu ta anyị ọsịkwa na ha niile adịghọ na ma ha kpọrọ ya asị onye ọbụla kpọrọ ya asị ọ ga-eji ndị atụ amara mụ na ndị adịghọ na mma onye eme ihe ha chọrọ ime di m onye eme ihe ha chọrọ ime di m biko kpọba ndị mmadụ ka mara ma ya enye m aka na ha chọrọ ime ihe ha chọrọ imegide di m ọkpọbanụ ndị mmadụ o meghị ya na mmadụ asị gị na Kanu ta mere ya mana nke nwa kwesịrị ime ihe imeghi ya nke nwa bụ di gị nke nwa bụ di gị imeghi ya abeg bye biko catch your phone take care. Love you all. Sleep well. Mbanaso. Is that your name? Assumpta. Afọ m bụ Assumpta na my English name, English name ndị baptismal name ndị ihe na-abara m. Ndị baptismal name, ndị Catholic, which I know ma bụ onye ihe na anamaza slave name. Afọ m bụ Ifi. That's my slave name. So I said it now. So when you didn't know a bad name. Bye bye, Biko. Sibling of your husband. Sibling of your husband, the California Ophonia no also Madina Boyas, didn't watch Chayas, Ophonia Caporas need. So hold the whole husband, both the whole family, both for us. Ebeko Diane, come on, get away. And I call you. For your family, Niger, not a family, didn't know a family, watch Chagas. Oh, Kakamadi against gas na that. Now a family, everybody gas. Something is wrong because bye bye. Don't let me go deeper. I don't want to talk much. I don't talk my own. And I say more gas. A family of your shame, they shame me. Siblings of your husband destroy you. May you never have peace. Can we imagine a mad people everywhere. Or region, no, na family. All the whole people watch gas na family. Ebe okote aye nwere ndị mmadụ na ọbụ tu ya like gị mmadụ na aga akpọzi gas na family a na-akụ ya ọbụrụ akọ ka a na-akọ ofu onye nnọọ mmadụ na family kpọcha ya asị abe me na go sit down na-akụ ya iri. Good night.